Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me once again, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today we are making this one pot delicious fish curry, great in less than an hour, and it has this beautiful delicious Indian and Thai flavors. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have some salmon and haddock. This have been cut into cubes. Feel free to use any seafood of your choice. I have some freshly chopped parsley, some chilies. Feel free to omit the chilies if you don't like spicy food. I have some grated ginger, chopped garlic, tomato puree, garam masala, mixed herbs, garlic granules, white pepper, black pepper, some thyme, ground coriander, onion granules, rosemary, ground turmeric, cumin, fish seasoning, Badia curry powder, coconut milk, some chopped shallots. I have some freshly diced tomatoes, my coconut oil, and for seasoning I will be using Maggi cube crayfish. I will list everything in the description below. I am now going to season the fish. I'll mix everything together. I will set it aside for later use. As the fish is marinating, time to start on a curry sauce. To my pot, I'm just adding my coconut oil. Next, I will allow the coconut oil to melt. As the coconut oil has melted and the oil has come to heat, I am now going to add my shallots, garlic and ginger. I will fry this until fragrant and translucent. Time to add the chilies. I'll mix everything together and just allow the chilies to also infuse with everything for about 2 minutes. Two minutes later, I am now going to add the freshly diced tomatoes. Next, I will add the tomato puree. I'll mix everything together. I will cover and allow this to simmer on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes until the tomatoes softens. As you can see, the tomatoes are nice and softened. Now I'm going to mix everything. Next, I will add the rest of the seasonings. After adding my turmeric, I completely forgot to add my garam masala, but this is the point where you would add a garam masala. Next, I'm going to mix everything together. I will cover and allow this to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes, just to give the spices time to release its flavors and aromas. And 5 minutes later, guys, this smells so good. All the beautiful flavors from the spices have been released and the kitchen is just smelling so good. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk and mix everything together. I am now going to season the sauce using my Maggi cube crayfish. You can certainly use your preferred seasoning of choice. Next, I'll mix everything together, cover and allow the sauce to come to a boil. As the sauce has come to a boil, don't forget to taste and adjust seasoning. I am now going to add the fish. Next, I will add the parsley. I will gently mix everything together. I will cover and allow the sauce to simmer on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes, as the fish won't take that long to cook. And 5 minutes later, you have yourself one pot of delicious fish curry. Guys, the flavors coming from this pot is just on another level. It smells so good. And this fish curry is great with any side dish of your choice. You can have with quinoa, bulgur wheat, plain rice, roti, you name it. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and turn on your bell notification icon. And I will see you next time. Bye.